Welcome back to the Wizard Shop. Today we're going to do a video on a day in the life of being the car wizard in the shop. Let's get started. So hopefully the video will give you guys a few laughs. Some of it's actually kind of factual, some of the weird things I've put up with or experienced. And Tyler's going to play the part of a customer today for us. And you're gonna see a lot of the crew here at Omega in the video today. So without further ado, let's go hop into the shop and take a look at a day in the life of the car wizard. So I think that this hose here, man, it's hot today. I think this hose goes to the EGR valve there.
That's what it looks like.
Yeah, what's up?
I got a person in the office that really wants to meet you.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Well, I'll head on in then. I'll be right back.
All right.
All right. It's nice to meet you.
I like turtles. I named my turtle after you.
Okay, that's really good.
Can I stroke your beard?
No,
please
don't. Please don't.
I want a hair for my collection.
You want a hair for your collection? Well, what can I do for you?
I just driving through Kansas and I had to meet you.
You just had to meet me?
I had to.
You had to?
I had to get a hair.
Well, I do have a lot of things going on in the shop. Is there anything I can help you with? You got any car issues? Or?
I got what I need.
What was that all about, Dave?
I had no idea.
That was really, really weird.
Yes.
Wow, that's crazy. Well, anyways, why don't you go ahead and move that one guy from Tuesday to Thursday? I think we can get him moved into Thursday. It'd be a lot easier. We could get him done by the end of the day.
Okay, I'll move the Subaru over and yeah, I think that'll work. We can get that done.
All right.
Just the man I need to see.
What's going on? What can I do for you? Yes.
I've driven 1,000 miles from Key Largo in my 2005 Suzuki Areola. You are the only man that I will allow touch this rare special car. It has a few leaks, a few issues. I will have you fix it right now, and I will sit down and wait.
Sit down and wait. You realize that I have like 12 or 15 cars in the shop there waiting to get fixed.
But not me and a Suzuki Areola. This is probably the only one you have ever seen.
I think it's called an Aereo.
Well, it's a special, it's an LX. Anyway, it's an Areola. It has some leaks, it has a check engine light. I will sit right here and I will let you fix it. I will give you the honor of fixing.
I don't think that's going to work very well because we have other cars in the shop. The lifts are actually all tied up at the moment. Really, you should have called and scheduled ahead so that we could get you in and get you taken care of.
You.
Okay.
Going back to Key Largo.
Whoa. Whoa. I don't know what that was about, Dave, but I got to go help Michael out. I'll be out in the shop.
I got the office.
All right, the box showed up with the water pump for the Nova. Excellent. I'll go take this over to Christopher and we'll get this put on right away. All right, Junior Mint, here's the water pump you've been waiting on this Nova. It's there in the box, ready to go. So you can go ahead and put that on and come and get me when you're ready to try it out.
Alrighty.
All right. All right, Dave, I think we got this receipt. Oh, I'll let you get the phone.
Omega. Say that again?
I would like to speak to the car wizard and only the car wizard.
One moment. You want
Okay, I'm happen to be at the desk. What's up? What can I do for you?
Hey, I'm a big fan, and I have a question for you about a Dodge Omni that's been in my family forever. So just to tell you a little bit about it, you know, Carroll Shelby tuned the Dodge Omni, but this was never tuned by Carroll Shelby, but it's the same body. My grandma got it new in the 80s, and she actually drove me to Disneyland and Disney World in the same summer. It was so nice of her. And then she gave it to my mom, and actually my mom, she kind of, I think, blew an engine on a trip, but that got fixed. And then she drove it, but actually she kind of died. But anyway, when she died, I got the car, and I've been driving it for a while, but then I'm not driving it. And actually, I was just wondering, I wanted to ask you a question, but I want to make sure you know everything about the car first, because it is a really, really rare car. I don't know if you...
Are you actually...
They have been making for a really long time, but...
Excuse me, sir?
Polka and all that whole era of
Sir?
Chrysler, you know... Yes?
Are you actually going to need any work done, or you want to schedule an appointment? Or I was actually busy in the shop. I got some things I got to take care of.
Well, no, I just wanted to see. I just wanted to tell you about the Dodge Omni, make sure you were aware of it, and see if you liked them.
I appreciate that and everything. I do have an email address, but you know, I really am busy in the shop. I don't have time to hear a whole story about it.
Well, you're just hearing the beginning of it, because it gets really good once it gets past, like 1997. Then the Dodge Omni, I mean, the stuff that happened to it was just so cool. I drove it to a strip club, and I met my third wife.
Do what now?
I met my third wife.
Your third wife?
Yes.
What does that have to do with the car? We fix cars here.
Well, I figured you want to know all about the Dodge Omni because you've never done a video about it, and I'm a big fan. I just wanted to, talk to you. Yeah.
Well, I'm sorry. I mean, unless you're going to get some work done or whatever, I'm going to have to get back to it. You could call back if you're ready to get some work done, but other than that, I really don't have time to sit and listen to a whole story.
You're not really a car wizard. You're more of a car.
Thank you. Goodbye. I'll let you have the phone. I'll let you take care of this paperwork here. I don't know what in the world that was all about, but I've got to get back out in the shop.
All right, I'll get this finished up.
So this is like the warm-up regulator.
Yes.
You're getting ready to take that apart, and you got a rebuild kit or something like that on you, don't you?
Yes, the rebuild kit is coming.
Oh, okay.
Just seeing what's wrong with it so far, since this is our part. This is the part that was causing the.
What's up?
Hey, Wizard, I need some help with this Cobra over here. I'm having some issues. I can't tell if it's the cable or if it's the odometer itself.
Okay, I'll head on over there. I'll be right back.
So I can tell that when this is spinning, I can get my tenths number to move, but as soon as it gets to number 1, it skips all of them, and it won't turn any of these bigger numbers.
Oh, wow. So there's maybe like is there several plastic gears in there, or?
Yeah, I'm thinking they're internal inside of this number assembly right here.
Okay, so what's up?
Can I get some help on the Nova?
Yeah, I'll be right back.
All right.
Okay, so what you got? Something on the carburetor?
Yeah, this linkage doesn't seem to be working right.
Is it like binding or something?
It's kind of binding.
Let's see, there's the cable there, there's the spring, there's the plunger. This is the kick down cable. I don't see a whole lot. I don't know. What's up?
Hey, Mr. Wizard. I need help with the warm-up regulator.
Mm-hmm.
It seems like it's a fairly new part, and for it to have failed at such a short time, I believe there's something more.
Something.
I wanted you to take a look at it.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Yeah,
So you got this one all apart?
Yes, I just took it apart, and as you can see, everything here is pretty much brand new.
Yeah,
And for it to have failed so soon,
that's kind of
could be.
interesting. That's kind of odd.
yeah. And I do get power.
Oh, what the hell?
What happened? Uh-oh, I better go over there. So what happened?
So the box says water pump, but that doesn't look like a water pump to me.
That's definitely what the hell. Yeah, I definitely ordered a water pump. This is a receiver dryer. Oh boy, there's another week lost. All right, well, I'll go see what happened and get a water pump coming. There'll be some more time waiting for that to show up.
Alrighty.
All right. Hello. Hello. Hey, I actually have your bill ready. I got your vehicle ready to go. And there's your ticket. Does everything look okay?
You estimated this to be $1,900, if I recall correctly.
Well, yes.
Yes, and the bill is for $1,901.
Well, there's sales tax on that.
You didn't tell me this up front. I am a single mother on a fixed income. I budget very tightly. This is unacceptable.
There was an estimate. The word estimate means close. It doesn't mean exact.
Explain that dollar to my 5 children.
I tell you what, I can give you the dollar back.
I'll pay it, but I'm never coming back here ever, ever, ever again. And I'm telling everybody I know that you are a scammer.
Please, please don't come back. There's the door.
Mark my words. Karen Cumberly. I don't know my name. Bye.
Dave, I really can't spend all day in the office. I really need to get back to the shop and get some things done out there. So I'll be out there.
All right.
This has got fuel all over the ground here.
Yeah, I just finished putting a new fuel pump in here, and it looks like either the seal damaged or maybe the pump went bad.
Have got those before with a crack in the housing.
Hello.
Well, hello, where'd you come from?
I just wandered in here from down the street, and I have a Pontiac Aztek, and I wanted to get it fixed, but is this what you guys do to cars?
Well, this is just a defect on a part. We're going to get it taken.
Break cars when you bring them in here? I mean, it's disgusting on the floor. It's a big mess. He's all sweaty. Look at him.
Well, it's just an accident. We didn't cause it.
I'm not bringing my car to a place that breaks cars. I'm bringing my car to a place that fixes them, keeps them nice and clean, and doesn't have the sweaty mechanics sweating on them.
Where did you even come from?
Just look at these. It's gross. I'm walking home.
Please do. Please walk out the same door you came in. Anyway, so we'll get this cleaned up here, and we'll get it. I'll see what we find out. We can maybe need to order another fuel pump or something.
Sounds good.
Kind of sucks, but we have gotten defective parts in the past, so.
All right.
All right.
Omega.
Hello, my name's Rod Johnson, and I've got a weird noise with my car. It only happens like every other Thursday, and it's a weird noise.
Okay.
It kind of sounds like this.
Okay.
But it doesn't do it only on every other Thursday during like 8 and 8:15 in the morning, and only when I just start it right up. I mean, but it's only every other Thursday, and it sounds it's a really weird sound. I don't know what it is. It's kind of like.
All right. Well, do you want to schedule the car in, and we can take a look at that and see why it's doing that, or what do you want to do?
I think you can just figure it out over the phone. I mean, like, give me an estimate, the dollar figure, because it's very specific. It's at this certain time every other Thursday, and it's.
Well, sir, there's going to be no way that I can give you an estimate or even tell you what that's going to be without us looking at the car.
Well, I'm a busy man. I can't wait time coming up there, but thanks for nothing.
Okay.
All right, Daniel-san, you called me over. What you got?
Yeah, so, we're doing air conditioning work here, but I decided to check the oil, and as you can see, there is nothing in here.
Oh my goodness, there's like not even a drop. There's like no oil in the engine at all.
Yeah, I'm scared to drain the oil or whatever's left in there and see what's in there.
Well, I know from experience, don't touch it. Just stop right here. We're going to go call the customer and let them know what's going on. I know from experience, you don't just go dumping oil in, you'll get sued. So I'll go take care, I'll see what the customer says, and then we'll go from there.
Okay, thank you.
Hello?
Hey, John, I'm actually calling you on your vehicle. We were getting ready to check the AC. We just happened to check the oil, and there's like none on the dipstick. It's completely empty.
And?
We was just calling to see if you want us to go ahead and add some oil because there is none.
No. Don't touch the engine. Do not touch it. My grandpa put that Pennzoil in there in 1997. That oil's supposed to last forever. It had a lifetime warranty. Do not touch it.
All right, you understand that it's like no oil the engine could lock up.
It's not, no, it's fine. You need to listen to me, and I am telling you that oil had a lifetime warranty back in 1997. It lasts forever. Do not touch it. Just fix my air conditioning. Thank you.
Okay, well, we'll call you when it's done. There will be a disclaimer on the ticket.
Just fix it.
Very well. Dave, that is so weird. Who doesn't want to put oil in their car? Honestly, that's not the first time that's happened, though.
It's not.
That has happened many times. You would never think that would even be a scenario in an automotive shop. But it is.
Yeah.
Crazy. Anyways, I got to get back out in the shop.
Okay, I got it.
Guys, what are we doing here? Aren't we supposed to be working? So I got in contact with the customer, Daniel-san, and he said, don't touch it. Leave it empty.
Okay, I guess he's gonna deal with the himself or something.
Yeah, I'm going to put a disclaimer on the bill. Honestly, it's not the first time I've seen something like that. So, anyways,
Keep swiping the wizard!
what was that?
I don't know. It must be fun being you.
Oh my goodness. That guy honestly just drove through and took pictures and left. Oh my
You
goodness.
should probably close that front door.
Don't tell my insurance guy. That's insane. Anyways, I'll let you handle this. I got to get back into the office. I got paperwork to do. Wow, what a day. So that's actually just a representation of some of the weird things we've seen over the years and some of the difficulties I deal. What are you doing down there?
I'm a big fan, Wizard.
Okay, just stay over in your area. Obviously, this doesn't happen all day, every day, but it gives you guys an idea of, no, I don't just sit around and play on the computer all day long. I'm constantly running around, constantly doing stuff, and it can be quite stressful. And some of the scenarios we've seen today actually truly have happened. That's what's really so crazy. They weren't fully just pulled out of the air. They really have happened. So if you're curious what kind of tools we use to fix his broken hoopties, check my Amazon affiliates link in the description below. We get a small cut. Really appreciate it. Thanks for being a customer today. You did a very good job.
No problem.
And make sure to hit the subscribe button because there's more sweet videos to come. Thanks for watching.